Good morning, dear students. Welcome to St. Joseph School online classes. This online teaching is done due to the lockdown, and all the chapters will be covered later in the classes. This is only a help for the students to keep in touch with their books. In this lesson, we will have a recap of Indian system of writing numbers, face value and place value, successor and predecessor, comparing and ordering numbers, formation of greatest and smallest numbers, international system of writing numbers, and larger Roman numbers. In our previous class, we have studied about Indian system in which we arrange the numbers in the place value according to the Indian number system. We begin from the right hand side and we start with ones, tens, hundreds, that completes the ones group of the Indian number system. Then we see thousands and 10,000s, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crores and 10 crores. Let us understand this table in this way. So we see there is a stair. In this stair, in the lowest unit is ones, then tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s. So we see in each step, the step increases the place value of the number. So in the ones, we multiply the number with 1, then by 10, then by 100, then by 1000, and then by 10,000. So each step we see the value of the number increases. This is the similar understanding that how the place changes the value of the number. So as we increase the steps, we increase the place value of the number. Let's see how to separate the numerals by its period. Starting from the right. First we make a group of 3. We make a group of 3, then 2 each of the digit. We can divide this group either by putting some space or by putting comma. So let's start from the right hand side. We make a group of 3, that is ones, tens, hundreds. We put a comma. Then thousands, 10,000s. And then we put a comma. Then we have a lakh. So here we see we have first 3 groups, 2 group and 1 group digit. And with that we complete the recap of Indian number system. Now we come to face value. What is face value? Face value of a digit in a number is the value of the digit itself. For an example, if we have a number 240. So what is the face value of 2? So the face value of 2 is 2. Means whatever the value of the number that we are going to find out is the face value of that number. Let's see with another example. So 5430. If we want to find the value, if we want to find the face value of 4, so the face value of 4 here is 4. The value of the digit in that number itself. The digit is the face value of the number. Then we see what is a place value. Place value of a digit in a number depends on the value of the place it occupies in the place value chart. We have studied the place value chart according to the Indian number system. So if we take for an example, So if we take for an example, what is the place value of 2? So first we need to arrange this number in Indian number system. So from the right hand side, ones, tens, hundreds, we put a comma. 1000, 10,000, we put a comma. Lakh, 10 lakh. So where we find the place of this 2 in this Indian number system, we see that ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. So 10,000. So 2 into 10,000. So what is the place value now? That is 20,000. So the place value of 2 is 20,000. Now we will see what is a successor. The number that comes just after a given number is called a successor. For an example, 24. So what is the successor of 24? Just after 24 it comes 25. So 25 is a successor. Let's take another example. 2462. 2462, what is the successor after that? So the successor becomes 2463. Predecessor, the number that comes just before a given number. So what does it mean? Suppose 36. So what is the predecessor of 36 is 35. Number just before the number. So all over we can say, when we go for the successor, when we find the successor, we add 1. And when we find the predecessor, we subtract 1.